Right, now I'm going to show you how to link to pieces of work or websites online, so external links. Before you were shown how to link to files that are saved in a local folder like these. So now you're going to be shown how to save to images or websites or files that exist online. Okay, so this is how you do it. I'm going to click on the second link or create a second slice around this link, which will be my link, topic 2 work. And I'm just going to do the same thing as I did before. So remember, first you have to select slice tool, and you draw your box around the slice tool, with the slice tool, sorry, around your area. And then you double click, and you need to first name it just for organization purposes. So I'm just going to call this maths topic 2. And then in URL, I'm going to link to a particular website or link online. So for this particular example, I'm just going to pretend this is my blog of my maths work, and I'm just going to right click and copy. Then I'll go back to Photoshop, and then I'll right click and paste. Okay, so this is something that looks more like a URL to you now, probably it's an actual web link. I'm going to do the same thing as I did before to make sure it opens in its own tab. So remember, _blank, and then click OK. What I'm going to do also is just get on with another slice down here. So there we go, same thing, draw with the slice tool, double click to actually put in, first of all, actually a name of the actual slice to keep things organized. So this is now my English section, so I'm just going to call this English topic 1. And then the URL, this time it's just going to be to an actual file. So what I've done, I've just gone to my Dropbox, and here's an audio file. I'm going to right click, save Dropbox link, come back here and put in the link. There we go. So this should actually directly link to that actual file. Again, target _blank, and then click OK. Right, remember the two most important things when you are actually wanting to view this as a HTML file. First you file save the actual PSD document, and then you file save for web for the actual web file. So remember, JPEG 100 should be selected, press save. You're going to save over the same file unless you're making file 2, file 3, file 4 for whatever reason, or you're just purposely making different versions. That's fine. You can then make a new name, so you make a second file. But in this example, I'm saving over because I want to save over, and I'm updating basically. Format HTML and images, slices, all slices. Click save. It's asking you or telling you we're going to replace these existing files, image jigsaw pieces, which are already in your folder. So this folder, which I haven't pointed out yet, in here, basically. I didn't want to point this out before because it would have been too confusing, but here is where all your jigsaw pieces live. Okay, and you are basically saying, yes, updated, that's fine. And then you go ahead and you test it. So let's have a look and see whether those files or web pages and files will actually load. So I've double clicked on the HTML file. This was my original one, remember, the Pythagoras image, that's fine, close that. Now my actual web link to my maths project made up web page, my blog, there you go. Now if I scroll down, here's something else. If I click on that, it should take me to an audio file on Dropbox. Let's have a look and see whether it actually takes me there. It's just being a bit slow, and it has taken me somewhere. It's taken me obviously to my Dropbox because I'm at home and I'm logged in, to it, but it does work. Explore a block to pop up. I'm just going to say allow once, but I know it's there. So it does actually let me link to the actual file. So that's working fine. It is actually working fine.